ever seen anything like this before?
In a sequentially ranked hierarchy based on level of critical importance, the disparity between us is too vast to quantify. Agent Stone?
The doctor thinks you're basic.
Dr. Robotnik, sure you're hella popular with the Jebs and Merles and Billy Bobs and this glorified gas station rest stop. He hit me in the cafeteria, causing a blunt force contusion to the soft tissue surrounding my orbital bone. Humiliated me in front of the entire school. Ready the prototype. With this kind of power, my machines can finally reach their full potential.